Hello, my name is Shimla Sharan. My register number is UA15CS356. So the aim of this program is to implement merge and quick sort in a program. So first off, I've declared the header file hash include IOStream and also the header using namespace std. Now I've declared an array of type integer of size 50. Now here I've declared a global variable, global function called merge, and declared the data types integer for each for low, mid, and high. So now I created a function called merge sort in which I've declared the integer variables low and high, and finally I've declared the integer mid. Now in order to find if mid exists, the low value should be less than high. If this condition is satisfied, then mid value can be found by adding low and high and dividing it by 2. And finally we call the functions merge sort. Low and mid are called, then mid plus 1 and high. Finally, low, mid, and high are called from the function merge, which I have already declared as integer variables. Now I've declared now I've called the same merge function which we've declared globally, and declared the integer variables low, mid, and high. Under this function, I've declared several variables along with another array of size 50. Now here h is equivalent to the low of first array, I is equivalent to the low value of the second array, and j is equal to mid value plus 1. Now while the low value of the first array is less than or equal to the mid, as well as the j value is less than or equal to high. If this condition is true, then the array having the low value, and if the array having the low value is less than the array having the mid plus 1 value, that is the same array, then the condition that the second array's low value will be equivalent to the first array's low value, where the second array's low value is keeping on incrementing. Um, Else, if this condition isn't satisfied, then the array of the second array's low value will be equivalent to the first array's mid plus 1, and the j will be incremented along with the low value of the second array keeps on incrementing. Now, if the low value of the first array is greater than mid, and if the condition, that is, we have declared another variable called k, if that variable k is equal to the mid plus 1, and if that k is less than or equal to high and is incremented, then the second array's low value will be equivalent to the first array's k, which we have equated it to mid plus 1, and I keeps incrementing. If that condition isn't satisfied, that is, if the low value of first array is less than j, then we have a condition where the previously declared variable k is equivalent to the low value of first array. Previously it was equivalent to mid plus 1, now it is equivalent to the low value of first array, and k is less than or equal to the mid value, and k keeps incrementing. And if this condition is satisfied, then the second array's low value will be equivalent to the first array's low value, which we have, since we have equated k to h, and I keeps incrementing. Now finally we have another condition where the k is equivalent to low, and k less than equal to high, and k incremented. If this condition is satisfied, then a of and then first array's low value is equal to the second array's low value. Now finally we have come to the int main function. Now I've declared an integer variable num and I. Now the input is gotten from the user as num, and the as well as the numbers. The first output is given as the number of elements which we are required to sort. The second input is gotten from the user as the numbers which are to be sorted. Um Now, if this condition, that is previously declared I is equal to 1, and if it is less than or equal to the number of elements to be sorted, and if it keeps incrementing, then The input is given to the first array, that is a of I. Now we call the function merge sort, which we have previously declared as 1 comma num. That is 1 is in the initialized value and num is the number of elements to be sorted. Finally, the sorted list is provided. This is obtained if the condition, that is I equal 1 and I is less than or equal to num and I plus plus, then the array A of I is called and it is displayed. Now, when we run the program, enter the number of elements to be sorted. So I've given the number of elements as 5 and the numbers which I want to be sorted are also displayed here. So finally when I give enter, the sorted elements list will appear. See, since I've jumbled the numbers, now I've got a sorted one. This is my program and thank you.